Good morning class 12 students. This is your second video of topic 4 types of economy, and today we are going to read about socialistic economy. Students, before starting the topic, we need your cooperation because it's a difficult time of coronavirus. So students, please submit your monthly fees. Students, let's start with the topic. The socialistic economy is the one in which there is social, collective public ownership means of production, and economic decisions are taken by some central authority of the government with a view of maximization social welfare. Students, socialistic economy, which is the ownership and the means of production or economic decisions. When I'm talking about economic decisions, we means that decisions regarding the production, consumption and investment are done by the central authority, means the central government, state, country's government, and their main view, the maximize social welfare. The main motive is that the economy there should be a social welfare in the economy. Features. The features of the socialist economy are as these. Means of production is collectively owned. It is collectively owned. In the capitalist economy, we read about the privatization, and it is privately owned, so for the self-interest. But here the difference is collectively owned by the society as a whole. We take the government, if taking any decision regarding the economic decisions, they should be for the benefit of all the people, not one sector of the people. Here the public ownership means government ownership, is mean of production. Second point is mean of production is used in the manner such that the social welfare is maximized. The main motive here is social welfare, to develop the social welfare, social maximization of the people. Third point is there is a direct participation of the government in the process of production. Here all the decisions or participation is taken by the government. No private individuals are being given the power for taking the decision. So you can make students, for making the notes, you can divide your page into 3 parts. First part will be capitalist economy, socialistic economy, and the third one mixed economy, and you can write the differences. Features also and differences also. Now we start with the merits of socialistic economy. Socialistic economy achieves equality in the distribution of income. Through the socialist economy, because it is run for the social maximization, social welfare of the people, equality of distribution of income can be achieved. Growth process become inclusive and is based on the principle of social justice. The growth process is not for the profit maximization. The growth process is for that the growth is also there in the country, and plus this social justice should also be provided to the people. Equality of distribution of income is there. Demerits. The principal demerit is that GDP growth remains slow process. Here the GDP, because the social interest has been taken importance, that's why the GDP growth becomes slow. This is because production is not directed by the principle of profit maximization. Why this GDP is slow? Because the main motive, the main principle is the profit maximization. Instead, it is directed by the principle of equity and justice. Question can be asked for the MCQs that equity and justice are the features of which economy? The answer will be socialistic economy. Okay class, thank you.